22-year-old Sifiso Mkhwanazi's defense counsel had sought to get the court to drop all the rape charges, citing a lack of evidence, and for charge of defeating the ends of justice to be dropped, arguing that Mkhwanazi had not concealed the dead bodies, leaving them where they would be easily discovered.
The state called 4 witnesses, and of all these witnesses, none of them have any direct evidence to the rape or the consent. Sergeant Bonambi testified that they came to a conclusion that because of the amount of used condoms that were found in the room that was upstairs, they came to a conclusion that the accused tied up the women and raped them repeatedly. My Lord, I submit that that conclusion is illogical and irrational.
While the state conceded that it lacked sufficient evidence to prove the first count of rape that took place in 2021, State Advocate Liswikane Mashabela submitted that Mkhwanazi was only targeting Zimbabwean-born sex workers to avenge himself after spending 10 months in prison for that alleged false rape accusation. He also argued that if Mkhwanazi wanted the dead bodies to be found, he would have left them in locations where people frequented in the vicinity of his father's workshop.
It is my submission that when the accused formulated this intention that he wanted to revenge, it was not only about the revenge, it was about punishment and to revenge. Why I'm saying so? The accused is not targeting all sexual, workers. It's targeting sex worker of a particular nationality of Zimbabwe, because the complainant in count 1 is of Zimbabwean origin. He's targeting them. So this was a revenge in a form of punishment.
Presiding Judge Cassim Moosa acquitted Mkhwanazi on the first count of rape, leaving the other 6 charges of rape and defeating the ends of justice unchanged.
The following order is made. Having read the documents filed of record, heard counsel, and having considered this matter, the following order is made. It is ordered that 1, the accused is granted a discharge on count 1, being the charge of rape in respect of the complainant Amanda Dlamini. He is accordingly found not guilty. 2, the application for discharge on counts 2, 5, 8, 11, 13, 14, and 17 is refused.
The trial will return to the High Court sitting in Palm Ridge for the State and Defense Counsel to argue on the merits of evidence before court. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Palm Ridge Magistrates Court.